What's up guys, this is John Mark and welcome back to my channel. And so this is my first vlog, and for today's video, magpapakita po ako kung paano po mag-edit ng green screen video using KineMaster. So guys, if you have a KineMaster app, go to the apps, KineMaster, and then proceed to this icon and this, and then proceed to the media, and get the background. Spread. Just press OK, and then go to the layer, the media, and go to the video. Go to video and just double press or double click, then proceed to the Chroma Key and edit. Just press OK and video.
Aviation and organization. The first is Federal Aviation Administration. It is a governmental body of the United States. Aviation and organization. The first is Federal Aviation Administration. Aviation and organization. The first is Federal Aviation.
So that's it, and go to the share and just adjust nyo lang po kung ano yung gusto nyong high resolution, and dito po resolution is HD, and then export, and if you want to and skip, just wait. And voila. So proceed to the video player and to play. So that's it. If you like my videos, do give it a thumbs up. And if you want to get the notification and my upcoming videos, do subscribe and click the bell button. But thank you for watching.